Hello and welcome to this video about using AI agents for data analysis, and this is an article about Google AI, so Gemini, where they discuss several ways to use AI agents, and they mention that you just can upload your data and describe your goals, and from there you can see what the data science agent does for you. For example, he can visualize data, clear up data, and also see patterns such as regression or correlations. And this allows you to see actionable data, and this agent is really able to find all the nuggets in your data and see what you can do with it. For example, it can do an RFM analysis where it sees what customers have recently bought, how frequently they have bought, and what the monetary value is of their purchase. And if customers are churning, maybe you can provide them with an incentive to become a customer again. All of this can be done with the Gemini AI bot, so it's very exciting to see, especially as companies start opening up their own AI agents where they can interact with each other and come up with unexpected insights that can propel your company to the next level. So thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.